Greetings. Just here in the Castle Rock Wilderness Study Area in Eastern Oregon. I'm here to talk to you today about giving yourself a place to go when there's nowhere to go. That's right, it's wag bags. To start, you'll need your handy dandy 5-gallon bucket, if you can. Obviously something to make it not as deep helps. This is just a little something whipped up with screws and wood. Pops right in. Next, you will need a plastic bag of some kind. I prefer to use the corner of a lawn bag. You get 2 out of 1 lawn bag. It's a 0.95 mil, so it's fairly decent. You're just going to drop it right in. And if you like, you can go just like that. But I don't like to go just like that. I like to put in some pine shavings. You can get them just about any pet store or pet aisle. In we go. With just some shavings in there. That's some absorbent material to keep you from having a puddle. And last but not least, that looks uncomfortable, so I found a used but clean toilet seat. There you go. And once you're ready to do your business, you do your business. Here we have a dried up old cow patty right here. We'll just use a little bit of, and in we go. And once you're done, you're just gonna sprinkle a little more in there to cover and help absorb any extra. Whoops, spilled a little. And you're gonna want to tie the bag closed carefully so you don't spill any. Yes, you are going to have to be this close to your waist, but you don't want any air trapped in there if you can help it. Tie it closed and you're good to go. Throw that in the garbage where you would put a diaper or any sort of thing. If possible, double bag it. It's not going to smell good, so don't put it in the car and take it with you anywhere. But that's it. It's very simple. It's very easy. Now you know where to go if you've got nowhere to go. Thank you for joining Always Ants in the Castle Rock Wilderness area.